In my opinion, situational awareness is the key to being able to have success within a self-defense situation. Because if you're constantly in tune with what's going on, who are the people that look like they could do something or they have the ability to do something, and that's very important. It's very important that you guys pick out the people who have the ability to do something or look like they can do something, or maybe they're dressed in a way that makes you feel like, okay, they might do something, right? I'm not saying, this isn't about judging people, but it is about, you need to have situational awareness. Be aware of the situation, be aware of the people around you. And if you are aware of the people around you and the element and the situation you're in, you can kind of position yourself in a way to where you don't have to deal with the threat. You can put yourself away from it. Like the old saying, best defense, don't be there, right? So, number one key in self-defense is situational awareness. Now, there are 3 points of view. Number one, the first thing that you have is your field of view. It's what you see. This is number one. Everything that you see, how you see it, where it is. That's the first kind of point of view, if you want to think about it like that, when you're talking about situational awareness. But what do you see? But then, it's not what you're looking at, right? It's also your peripherals. What is everything around here that could be happening that you're not directly looking at? You know what I mean? Like, I'm looking at all of you guys here, but I can see what the stuff that's in there. I can see this over here. I can be aware that, someone's truck's running over here. You know what I mean? That kind of thing. So then you have your peripheral vision. So you have point of view, which is your direct line of vision of what you're looking at. And then you have your peripherals, right? But then the third one's the blind spots. The blind spots. And that's where there's something there, but you don't have access to that information. An example, again, I can directly see you guys here. I can see this wall and everything here. I can see into that room and that wall and everything there, and the search they got on the walls and all that. But what I can't see, right, is I know that when you turn around this corner here, there's that little room that goes down there. I don't know what's going on in that room. I can't see that. I can't directly see it, and it's not in my peripherals. So that is a blind spot. So now you have to be aware of the blind spot. So those are the 3 things that when you're walking to a place, you should be aware of. In my opinion, when you guys are going from place to place, and it's the stuff that you guys do on your normal run, like I know my normal routine. I go to these grocery stores, I go to these shopping stores, I go to this bank, I go to that post office, you know what I mean? You all have your normal run. You guys should have already been through that normal run so many times that you already know I'm going to park here, I'm going to go in here, I'm going to leave here. You've already surveyed the area so many times that you should be able to get in and out of there fairly efficiently utilizing situational awareness. Your situational awareness needs to go up a little higher. I mean, you got to, stick the Saki Jutsu out there a little bit more when you're going to areas that you're not used to going to. Because then you really have to look harder up because the people that are out there you don't know. If you go to the same grocery store all the time, you're going to see the same people charging you for your groceries. You're going to see the same janitors. You're going to see the same people at the door. You catch what I'm saying? There's this normality. You go to somewhere you've never been, even if it's just a grocery store that's in the city next to you, you don't know the people, you don't know the store, you don't know the parking lot. So you have to be aware of that, right? If you want to truly be effective and efficient in self-defense, your number one skill constantly, every time you leave your house, should be situational awareness.